Why should you visit Italy? Vertical bar, a journey through La Dolce Vita. Welcome to Italy, a country renowned for its breathtaking beauty, rich history, and irresistible cuisine. Join us on a journey through La Dolce Vita as we explore why Italy should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Italy is a treasure trove of cultural riches, with ancient ruins, magnificent cathedrals, and world-renowned museums. From the awe-inspiring Colosseum in Rome to the magnificent Duomo in Florence, every corner of Italy is steeped in history and art. But Italy isn't just about cities. It's also home to some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Whether you're exploring the rolling hills of Tuscany, cruising along the Amalfi Coast, or hiking in the Italian Alps, you'll be treated to breathtaking views at every turn. And let's not forget about the food. Italian cuisine is celebrated worldwide for its simplicity, freshness, and bold flavors. From mouth-watering pasta dishes to wood-fired pizzas and creamy gelato, every meal in Italy is a culinary delight. Italy is also a country of vibrant traditions and celebrations, with festivals and events happening throughout the year. Whether you're catching a parade during Carnevale in Venice or witnessing the thrilling horse race of the Palio in Siena, you'll be immersed in the rich tapestry of Italian culture. So why should you visit Italy? For its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, mouth-watering cuisine, and vibrant culture. It's a country that captivates the heart and soul of every traveler. Come and experience the magic of Italy for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Your support helps us keep making great content. See you next time.